Welcome to my channel of Tranquility Trader. Now, the purpose of this channel is to record my journey of day trading. Now, my experience in day trading is very minimal. I did dabble in this a couple of months ago for around 2 months, and I was kind of breaking even. So what I decided to do was to fund up €1,000 account and to see how far we can take it. I mean, ideally, we bring the 1,000 and turn it into an island. We buy a big island and a big mansion. No, I'm just joking. So yeah, I guess a big thing about the idea as well behind this channel is that when I was trading first, it's very hard to journal and keep track. I mean, it's not hard, but I found it a little bit intimidating, not natural, right? So I said I will do a different approach. I will actually record my journey as I go through with this challenge of just growing my account. And the big thing here is it's not, the biggest purpose is not to, explode the account, because game of trading, it's a game of like proportions, right? Relativity. So if I make 1% on €1,000 account, it's very little. It's €10. It's not gonna be a lot of money. However, if you do have an account that's 100,000 and you make 1% on that, well, that's 1,000. So you do need capital in order to trade successfully. So I think a lot of people have issues, right? And I would have this issue as well, is that I would try to flip the 1,000 and take massive trades, risk 10%, risk 20% to make 20, 30%, because you want to grow your overall wealth and capital. However, I'm going to do a different approach with this account. I'm actually going to trade in percentages. My max trade will be 1%, my max loss per trade. I'll do up to 2 trades per day. That's it. We'll try to go for a risk reward ratio 1 to 3, 1 to 2. However, I don't have a strategy per se. So the whole plan is to kind of just come in here every day and commit to it and take it serious. Pretend the 1,000 is 100,000, I think with good practices like that and discipline and ensuring that I do follow these principles, could lead to good results, We don't know what's going to happen. Trading is a risky game, very risky game. I'm well aware of that. But I think that making these videos and talking about it while I do it will nearly force me to put in more effort, to take it more seriously, not to derange myself, not to blow up an account. It's kind of like a journal, right? And even if nobody's watching, I know the journal is out there on the internet, right? On this account, on this channel. And yeah, so it's kind of like a means to follow through with the discipline and stay focused, right? So I guess, yeah, that's the plan. Hello, so I kind of like the look of this on gold. We have a big fat candle here, bit of movement to the downside. I mean, we had a big move earlier. What I'm thinking is that this could have been a retracement, right? So from this move down here, if we get the Fibonacci 0.382, I mean, it was kind of aggressive, right? So this is kind of looking juicy. I'm expecting maybe the price to go down to here. That is what I'm thinking. Okay, so we have entered. I'm expecting kind of big bearish push down. We have a bit of blue candle, and I'm hoping to see this now in the next few candles, I guess, right? 1 or 2, yeah, in the next 10 minutes. Okay, it's looking good. So down, I guess. We had big demand here, so down to this area. I like to see a big pump now, down to here. It's moving in the opposite direction. I think we're going to see a big push to the downside any second now. It's gonna dump and pump. Yes, now we're seeing it live. Exactly what we said. Ooh la la. Okay, it looks like we've had change of mind. Check it out, I might move my stop loss up here. Okay, we're looking kind of good. Okay, now it's pumping, beautiful. Where I am confident it's gonna get pushed down to here, to this zone. Okay. I'm actually gonna move it up here. This is kind of moving against me now. I nearly would get out, but I will leave it. Because there does seem to be a struggle going on, right? 2 trades a day, which means we are going to leave it. That's a call. Yes. Okay, so yeah, that went against me. It looked good, looked promising, possible. But yeah, not every day is going to be a winner. Actually, took a trade this morning. So the last clip you've seen was my second trade, the one I've taken here for the short. We were thinking it was going to go down here. Now, actually, that you look at it, there's a bit of consolidation, but there's demand here. We'll see what happens. So unfortunately, the first clip that I've taken today did not save, or I actually did not press the start. So I'll tell you what happened, I guess. If we can move over here. So same move, gold was down. I've seen this big bullish candle, okay? And given here, right, I was thinking this is kind of a range a little bit. And given this big bluish candle, I was thinking that it's gonna kind of pop off, you know? And my idea was it might go to VWAP. That's what I was thinking. So I entered here. I did see the 2 candles here with 2 wicks, so you know there was pressure from the top on the sell side. I was thinking maybe to get out, however, I did leave it go, and it did push back. Now in hindsight, as you can see, this was a consolidation, and then the price came here, right, and it was consolidating on top of the previous zone. But yeah, so 2 trades today. Hi guys, how are you doing? I just wanted to jump into the charts. This is post my 2 trades that I've taken earlier today. So as you can remember, the last trade, we went in here, we shorted it, it pushed back here, or it went down, and then it pushed back up, and then we were out, right? So after that, I was still looking at the charts. I decided not to take the trades and stick to the plan of 2 trades a day. Watching this price action develop here, boom, boom, and I've noticed kind of like a head and shoulders pattern, right? So the buyers tried to push it, but it didn't really push it that high up. And I was thinking of getting in, but I said I would stay true to my rules, you know, and 2 trades a day, and that's the whole point of trading, you know, that's a big thing. And it did, I was thinking of getting in here, and it did have a nice move to the downside, so that would have been a beautiful scalp. Would I have gotten out here? I don't know. I did mark, as you can see, this previous demand zone over here. It was a little bit too low. So yeah, that's exactly where the price kind of went down to. So would I have gotten out right there? Probably not. Maybe here-ish. But yeah, it's good to see that, you know, overall the idea of where the price was going was correct. It's just more of a situation of, you know, maybe I should have been more patient, maybe I should have waited a little bit more. That's of course always the case. And yeah, we did see it go through. So, you know, you do learn by experience that is trading, and most important thing is to be patient. Going to observe. I'm not going to partake. I'll leave that for tomorrow, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a nice day. So guys, as you can see today, the two trades that I have taken have went against me. But it is my first day back, and that's the thing. One of the most important things is, not to overtrade, not to make mistakes like that. My trading plan says 2 trades per day is the maximum, so I'm gonna stick to that. And yeah, this is the whole idea. So yeah, really excited for tomorrow and the days after. Follow on. Of course, as I make these videos, right? So I am a little bit rusty, but I decided I wanted to go in with it right away with the money, because I feel that trading a demo account is just not the same. If you know what I mean, it doesn't give you that. When it's real money, you're really thinking about it more in depth and whatnot. So yeah, today's trade's not so good, but we don't care, because there's always tomorrow and the day after and the day after. And the whole idea here is to become a better trader, to become a sniper, to become dedicated to the craft. I'll be back tomorrow, guys, for another video. I am super excited to see what happens. Good luck.